The Directorist Search Alert Extension helps users stay engaged by notifying them when new listings match their interest. It allows users to set detailed search criteria and select how frequently they want to be notified. Even if no listing match immediately, the system continues to monitor and alert them as soon as something relevant appears. This is perfect for job boards, real estate platforms, service marketplaces, and classified directories where users track new opportunities. Here are some of the key features. User can set personalized search filters, receive automatic notifications when new listings match their saved searches, and manage everything from their own dashboard. To get started, install and activate the Search Alert extension. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Directory Listing, Themes and Extensions, find Search Alert, click Install, and then activate. You can also activate it from the plugin section if you prefer. Now simply go to the Directory Listing, Settings, Extensions, Extension General, then toggle on Search Alert and check Enable Guest Alert. This allows visitor to receive updates without needing an account. After activation, a new saved search menu item automatically appears on the user dashboard. This is where user can find and manage all their saved searches. Now let's see how it works in action. Step 1. The user searches by keyword, category, or location, then click the search button. Step 2. On the search result page, user can click the Save Search button to store their search criteria for future alerts. Step 3. A pop-up appears, allowing users to name their search and select how often they want to receive notifications, like daily, weekly, monthly, or only one listing match. Then click Save Search to confirm. Step 4. All saved searches appears under directory listing, then save search. User can view, edit, or delete them at any time from both the dashboard and the backend. Step 5. Whenever a new listing matches a saved search by title, category, or filters, the system automatically sends an email notification. This keeps user informed and encourages them to return to your directory again and again. And that's how the Directorist Search Alert extension helps user stay updated and increase engagement.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.